This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. New luxury apartments with private covered entrance. Great location at the north end of the Virginia Beach oceanfront with great floor plan. High-end fixtures throughout. Kitchen offers stainless appliances, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and upgraded cabinetry. Spacious ensuite bedroom and upgraded baths with custom tilework. 2 spacious bedrooms. 2 full baths. Great for a couple or roommates. 1 parking spot per unit. Washer/dryer in each unit. Tankless hot water heater, Fios available. All utilities paid individually by tenant including trash. Walk to many local restaurants and the beach. Pets considered with additional deposit. This unit, 201, is on the 2nd floor, offering a small 2nd floor outdoor balcony off the living area and rents for $2,850 per month. For more information, review the details below.